Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يسألونك عن الأنفال قل الأنفال لله والرسول فاتقوا الله وأصلحوا ذات بينكم وأطيعوا الله ورسوله إن كنتم مؤمنين.
O beloved, they ask you concerning the spoils of war. Say you, Allah and the Messenger are the owners of the spoils of war. So, fear Allah and keep matters amended amongst yourselves, and obey Allah and the Messenger if you believe.
إنما المؤمنون الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم وإذا تليت عليهم آياته زادتهم إيمانا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Only they are believers whose hearts fear when Allah is remembered, and when His verses are recited upon them, their faith increases, and who trust only in their Lord.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Those who keep Salah established and spend some in our path from what we have provided for them.
أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا لهم درجات عند ربهم ومغفرة ورزق كريم.
Only these are true Muslims, for them are ranks with their Lord, and His forgiveness and honorable sustenance.
كما أخرجك ربك من بيتك بالحق وإن فريقا من المؤمنين لكارهون.
O beloved, the way your Lord caused you to come forth from your home with the truth, and a group of Muslims were verily unhappy over it.
يجادلونك في الحق بعدما تبين كأنما يساقون إلى الموت وهم ينظرون.
Disputing with you in the true matter after it had been made clear, as if they were being driven towards death, which they could see in front of their very eyes.
وَإِذْ يَعِدُكُمُ اللَّهُ إِحْدَى الطَّائِفَتَيْنِ أَنَّهَا لَكُمْ وَتَوَدُّونَ أَنَّ غَيْرَ ذَاتِ الشَّوْكَةِ تَكُونُ لَكُمْ وَيُرِيدُ اللَّهُ أَن يُحِقَّ الْحَقَّ بِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَيَقْطَعَ دَابِرَ الْكَافِرِينَ.
And remember when Allah promised you that one of the two groups of enemies is for you, and you wish to confront the one which posed no danger, and Allah willed to prove the truth as the truth with His words, and to cut the root of the disbelievers.
لِيُحِقَّ الْحَقَّ وَيُبْطِلَ الْبَاطِلَ وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْمُجْرِمُونَ.
In order that He may attest the truth as the truth and falsehood as falsehood, even if the culprits dislike it.
إذ تستغيثون ربكم فاستجاب لكم أني ممدكم بألف من الملائكة مردفين.
When you, O beloved, were supplicating for help from your Lord, He henceforth answered your prayers, that I am about to give you assistance with 1,000 angels, one following the other.
وما جعله الله إلا بشرى ولتطمئن به قلوبكم وما النصر إلا من عند الله إن الله عزيز حكيم.
And Allah did this but for your happiness and for your hearts to gain contentment. And there is no help except from Allah. Indeed, Allah is dominant, all-wise.
إذ يغشيكم النعاس أمنة منه وينزل عليكم من السماء ماء ليطهركم به ويذهب عنكم رجز الشيطان وليربط على قلوبكم ويثبت به الأقدام.
Remember, when He caused drowsiness to overcome you, it was serenity from Him, and sent down water from the sky that He may purify you with it, and to remove the impurity of Satan from you, and to give courage to your hearts and firmly establishing your feet with it.
إذ يوحي ربك إلى الملائكة أني معكم فثبتوا الذين آمنوا سألقي في قلوب الذين كفروا الرعب فاضربوا فوق الأعناق واضربوا منهم كل بنان.
And when, O beloved, your Lord was revealing to the angels that I am with you, so keep the believers standing firm, I will soon instill terror into the hearts of the disbelievers. So strike above the necks of the disbelievers and hit them on each and every joint.
ذلك بأنهم شاقوا الله ورسوله ومن يشاقق الله ورسوله فإن الله شديد العقاب.
This is because they opposed Allah and His Messenger, and whoever opposes Allah and His Messenger, Allah's punishment is indeed henceforth severe.
ذلكم فذوقوه وأن للكافرين عذاب النار.
Taste this punishment for now, and along with it for the disbelievers is the punishment of fire in the hereafter.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا لقيتم الذين كفروا زحفا فلا تولوهم الأدبار.
O believers, when you confront any army of disbelievers, do not turn your backs to them.
ومن يولهم يومئذ دبره إلا متحرفا لقتال أو متحيزا إلى فئة فقد باء بغضب من الله ومأواه جهنم وبئس المصير.
And on that day, whoever turns his back to them except for a battle tactic or to join one's own troop, he has turned towards Allah's wrath, and his abode is hell, and what an evil place to return to.
فلم تقتلوهم ولكن الله قتلهم وما رميت إذ رميت ولكن الله رمى وليبلي المؤمنين منه بلاء حسنا إن الله سميع عليم.
So you did not kill them, but Allah killed them. And O beloved, that sand which you threw, you did not throw, rather it was Allah who threw, in order that He may grant the believers a better reward from Himself. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
ذلكم وأن الله موهن كيد الكافرين.
Take this for now, and alongside this is that Allah is going to weaken the plot of the disbelievers.
إن تستفتحوا فقد جاءكم الفتح وإن تنتهوا فهو خير لكم وإن تعودوا نعد ولن تغني عنكم فئتكم شيئا ولو كثرت وأن الله مع المؤمنين.
O disbelievers, if you seek judgment, this judgment has therefore come to you. And if you desist from fighting, it is therefore better for you. And if you repeat the mischief, we will punish you again. And your mob will not benefit you, no matter how large it may be. And with that is this, i.e., something more, that Allah is with the Muslims.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله ورسوله ولا تولوا عنه وأنتم تسمعون.
O believers, obey Allah and His Messenger, and do not turn away from Him, the Messenger, after having heard Him.
ولا تكونوا كالذين قالوا سمعنا وهم لا يسمعون.
And do not be like those who said, we have listened, whereas they do not listen.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الصم البكم الذين لا يعقلون.
Indeed, the worst animals in the sight of Allah are those, i.e., the disbelievers who are deaf, dumb, who do not have intellect.
ولو علم الله فيهم خيرا لأسمعهم ولو أسمعهم لتولوا وهم معرضون.
And if Allah had found any good in them, He would have made them to listen. And if He had made them to listen, even then they would have turned away their faces and gone back.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا استجيبوا لله وللرسول إذا دعاكم لما يحييكم واعلموا أن الله يحول بين المرء وقلبه وأنه إليه تحشرون.
O believers, present yourself upon the call of Allah and His Messenger when the Messenger calls you for such a thing which will give you life. And know that the command of Allah comes between man and his heart's intentions, and that you are to return towards Him.
واتقوا فتنة لا تصيبن الذين ظلموا منكم خاصة واعلموا أن الله شديد العقاب.
And fear the fitna, affliction and trial, which will not only reach a few selected unjust people amongst you, and know that the punishment of Allah is severe.
واذكروا إذ أنتم قليل مستضعفون في الأرض تخافون أن يتخطفكم الناس فآواكم وأيدكم بنصره ورزقكم من الطيبات لعلكم تشكرون.
And remember, when you were only a few, suppressed in the land, and feared that people may snatch you away, He henceforth gave you refuge, and strengthened you with His help, and gave you pure things as sustenance, that you may be thankful.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تخونوا الله والرسول وتخونوا أماناتكم وأنتم تعلمون.
O believers, do not be dishonest to Allah and the Messenger, nor purposefully be dishonest in your trust.
واعلموا أنما أموالكم فتنة وأن الله عنده أجر عظيم.
And know that your wealth and your children are all a test, and with Allah is an immense reward.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن تتقوا الله يجعل لكم فرقانا ويكفر عنكم سيئاتكم ويغفر لكم والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
O believers, if you will fear Allah, He will henceforth bestow upon you that criterion with which you may separate the truth from falsehood, and He will remove your misdeeds and will forgive you, and Allah is the utmost bounteous.
وَإِذْ يَمْكُرُ بِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيُثْبِتُوكَ أَوْ يَقْتُلُوكَ أَوْ يُخْرِجُوكَ وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ.
And remember, O beloved, when the disbelievers were scheming against you to either imprison you or to assassinate you or to banish you, and they were scheming with their technique, and Allah was making His secret plan, and the secret plan of Allah is the best.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا قَالُوا قَدْ سَمِعْنَا لَوْ نَشَاءُ لَقُلْنَا مِثْلَ هَذَا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا أَسَاطِيرُ الْأَوَّلِينَ.
And when our verses are recited upon them, so they say, yes, we have heard. If we wanted, we could also utter something like this. These are nothing but stories of people of the past.
وَإِذْ قَالُوا اللَّهُمَّ إِن كَانَ هَذَا هُوَ الْحَقَّ مِنْ عِنْدِكَ فَأَمْطِرْ عَلَيْنَا حِجَارَةً مِنَ السَّمَاءِ أَوْ ائْتِنَا بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ.
And when they said that, O Allah, if this very Quran really is the truth from you, therefore shower upon us a rain of stones from the sky, or bring upon us some painful punishment.
وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ لِيُعَذِّبَهُمْ وَأَنْتَ فِيهِمْ وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ مُعَذِّبَهُمْ وَهُمْ يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ.
And it is not befitting to Allah to punish them whilst you, O beloved, are in their midst, and Allah is not going to punish them whilst they are seeking forgiveness.
وَمَا لَهُمْ أَلَّا يُعَذِّبَهُمُ اللَّهُ وَهُمْ يَصُدُّونَ عَنِ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ وَمَا كَانُوا أَوْلِيَاءَهُ إِنْ أَوْلِيَاؤُهُ إِلَّا الْمُتَّقُونَ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
And what excuse is with them that Allah should not punish them? They are preventing others from sacred mosques, and they are not worthy of being the custodians of it. Only the pious are its befitting custodians, but most of them do not have knowledge.
وَمَا كَانَ صَلَاتُهُمْ عِندَ الْبَيْتِ إِلَّا مُكَاءً وَتَصْدِيَةً فَذُوقُوا الْعَذَابَ بِمَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْفُرُونَ.
And their prayer near the Kaaba is nothing but whistling and clapping. Hence, now taste the punishment, the result of your disbelief.
إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُنْفِقُونَ أَمْوَالَهُمْ لِيَصُدُّوا عَنْ سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ فَسَيُنْفِقُونَهَا ثُمَّ تَكُونُ عَلَيْهِمْ حَسْرَةً ثُمَّ يُغْلَبُونَ والذين كفروا إلى جهنم يحشرون.
Indeed, the disbelievers spend their wealth in order to prevent people from the path of Allah. So they will spend it now and then have regret over it. They will then be defeated and the disbelievers will be gathered towards hell.
ليميز الله الخبيث من الطيب ويجعل الخبيث بعضه على بعض فيركمه جميعا فيجعله في جهنم أولئك هم الخاسرون.
In order that Allah may separate the impure from the pure and placing the impure ones on top of one another, making a heap to throw them all into hell. It is they who face loss.
قل للذين كفروا إن ينتهوا يغفر لهم ما قد سلف وإن يعودوا فقد مضت سنة الأولين.
Say you, O beloved, to the disbelievers that if they desist, what has passed will be forgiven. And if they then do the same, i.e., fight against the believers, so the tradition of punishment of the former people has already passed.
وقاتلوهم حتى لا تكون فتنة ويكون الدين كله لله فإن انتهوا فإن الله بما يعملون بصير.
And fight them until no mischief remains and the entire religion becomes of Allah only. If they then desist, Allah is henceforth seeing their work.
وَإِن تَوَلَّوْا فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ مَوْلَاكُمْ نِعْمَ الْمَوْلَى وَنِعْمَ النَّصِيرُ.
And if they turn away, so know that Allah is your master. So, what an excellent master and what an excellent helper.
وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا غَنِمْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَأَنَّ لِلَّهِ خُمُسَهُ وَلِلرَّسُولِ وَلِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ إِن كُنتُمْ آمَنتُم بالله وما أنزلنا على عبدنا يوم الفرقان يوم التقى الجمعان والله على كل شيء قدير.
And know that whatever spoils of war you take, a fifth of that solely belongs to Allah and His Messenger, and to relatives, and orphans, and the needy, and travelers. If you have believed in Allah, and in that what we have sent down upon our chosen bondsmen on the decisive day, the day when the two armies met, and Allah is able to do all things.
إذ أنتم بالعدوة الدنيا وهم بالعدوة القصوى والركب أسفل منكم ولو تواعدتم لاختلفتم في الميعاد ولكن ليقضي الله أمرا كان مفعولا ليهلك من هلك عن بينة ويحيى من حي عن بينة وإن الله لسميع عليم.
When you were on the near side of the valley of Badr, and the disbelievers were on the further side, and the caravan was on your lower side, and had you made any mutual promise, fixed time for war, you would have therefore definitely failed to reach at that appointed time. But this starting of sudden war is for this reason, that Allah may complete the work which must be done, that he who perishes may perish with proof, and he who lives may live with proof, and Allah is indeed definitely all-hearing, all-knowing.
إذ يريكهم الله في منامك قليلا ولو أراكهم كثيرا لفشلتم ولتنازعتم في الأمر ولكن الله سلم إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
O beloved, remember when Allah was showing the disbelievers in your dream to be a few, and O Muslims, had He shown them to you as an enormous army, you would have definitely lost courage and disputed over the matter. But Allah rescued you. Indeed, He knows what is within the hearts.
وَإِذْ يُرِيكُمُوهُمْ إِذِ الْتَقَيْتُمْ فِي أَعْيُنِكُمْ قَلِيلًا وَيُقَلِّلُكُمْ فِي أَعْيُنِهِمْ لِيَقْضِيَ اللَّهُ أَمْرًا كَانَ مَفْعُولًا وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ.
And remember, O Muslims, when at the time of fighting, He made the disbelievers seem few to you, and you to be few in their sight, in order that Allah may complete the work that must be done, and towards Allah is the return of all matters.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا لقيتم فئة فاثبتوا واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
O believers, when you encounter an army, stand firm and remember Allah abundantly, in order that you may achieve your goals.
وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ وَاصْبِرُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الصَّابِرِينَ.
And obey Allah and His Messenger, and do not dispute with one another, that you will show cowardliness again, and your air, i.e., strength, will depart. And be patient. Indeed, Allah is with those who are patient.
ولا تكونوا كالذين خرجوا من ديارهم بطرا ورئاء الناس ويصدون عن سبيل الله والله بما يعملون محيط.
And do not be like those who came out from their houses arrogantly and for the purpose of showing off to people, and would prevent people from the path of Allah, and all their actions are under the control of Allah.
وَإِذْ زَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ أَعْمَالَهُمْ وَقَالَ لَا غَالِبَ لَكُمُ الْيَوْمَ مِنَ النَّاسِ وَإِنِّي جَارٌ لَكُمْ فَلَمَّا تَرَاءَتِ الْفِئَتَانِ نَكَصَ عَلَى عَقِبَيْهِ وَقَالَ إِنِّي بَرِيءٌ مِّنكُمْ إِنِّي أَرَىٰ مَا لَا تَرَوْنَ أخاف الله والله شديد العقاب.
And remember when Satan made their deeds seem good in their sight and said, "This day no one shall overpower you, and you are under my protection." So when the two armies came face to face, he turned back on his heels running away and said, "I am separate from you. I see what you do not see. I fear Allah, and the punishment from Allah is severe."
إذ يقول المنافقون والذين في قلوبهم مرض غر هؤلاء دينهم ومن يتوكل على الله فإن الله عزيز حكيم.
When the hypocrites and those in whose hearts is a disease were saying that these Muslims are arrogant of their religion, and whosoever relies upon Allah, so Allah is indeed overpowering, all-wise.
ولو ترى إذ يتوفى الذين كفروا الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
And if you see the angels when they remove the souls of the disbelievers, they are hitting them on their faces and their backs, and they say, taste the punishment of the fire.
ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
This is the recompense of what your hands have sent ahead, and Allah does not oppress the bondsman.
كدأب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كفروا بآيات الله فأخذهم الله بذنوبهم إن الله قوي شديد العقاب.
Their way is like the way of the people of Fir'aun and those before them. They denied the verses of Allah. Allah henceforth seized them on the account of their sins. Indeed, Allah is most powerful, severe in giving punishment.
ذلك بأن الله لم يك مغيرا نعمة أنعمها على قوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم وأن الله سميع عليم.
This is because Allah does not change the favor He has bestowed upon any people until they change themselves, and Allah indeed is all-hearing, all-knowing.
كدأب آل فرعون والذين من قبلهم كذبوا بآيات ربهم فأهلكناهم بذنوبهم وأغرقنا آل فرعون وكل كانوا ظالمين.
Like the way of the people of Fir'aun and those before them, they belied the verses of their Lord. So we destroyed them on account of their sins, and we drowned the people of Fir'aun, and they were all unjust.
إن شر الدواب عند الله الذين كفروا فهم لا يؤمنون.
Indeed, the worst animals according to Allah are those people who disbelieve and do not accept faith.
الذين عاهدت منهم ثم ينقضون عهدهم في كل مرة وهم لا يتقون.
They are those with whom you made a pact. They then break their covenant each time, and they do not fear.
فإما تثقفنهم في الحرب فشرد بهم من خلفهم لعلهم يذكرون.
So, if you find them in battle, kill them therefore in such a manner that those remaining behind them should be chased away, in the hope that they may learn a lesson.
وإما تخافن من قوم خيانة فانبذ إليهم على سواء إن الله لا يحب الخائنين.
And if you fear deceit from any nation, then throw back their treaty towards them as to be on equal terms. Allah indeed does not like the deceitful.
ولا يحسبن الذين كفروا سبقوا إنهم لا يعجزون.
And the disbelievers should never remain in this arrogant thinking that they have gone out of hand. Indeed, they can never overpower Allah.
وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون.
And keep ready for them the maximum strength you can gather, and as many horses as you can keep tied, to put fear in the hearts therewith of those who are the enemies of Allah and who are your enemies, and in the hearts of some others whom you know not. Allah knows them. And whatever you will spend in the path of Allah will be repaid to you in full, and you will not remain at loss in any sense.
وَإِن جَنَحُوا لِلسَّلْمِ فَاجْنَحْ لَهَا وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّهُ هُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ.
And if they incline towards reconciliation, you too incline towards it, and place trust in Allah. Indeed, only He is all-hearing, the all-knowing.
وَإِن يُرِيدُوا أَن يَخْدَعُوكَ فَإِنَّ حَسْبَكَ اللَّهُ هُوَ الَّذِي أَيَّدَكَ بِنَصْرِهِ وَبِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
And if they wish to deceive you, O beloved, Allah is indeed then sufficient for you. It is He who has given you strength of His help and also of Muslims.
وَأَلَّفَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِهِمْ لَوْ أَنفَقْتَ مَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا مَا أَلَّفْتَ بَيْنَ قُلُوبِهِمْ لو أنفقت ما في الأرض جميعا ما ألفت بين قلوبهم ولكن الله ألف بينهم إنه عزيز حكيم.
And Allah has placed affection in their hearts. If you had spent all that is in the earth, you could not have placed affection in their hearts. But Allah united their hearts. Indeed, only He is overpowering, all-wise.
يا أيها النبي حسبك الله ومن اتبعك من المؤمنين.
O conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., Prophet, Allah is sufficient for you and for all these Muslims who followed you.
يا أيها النبي حرض المؤمنين على القتال إن يكن منكم 20 صابرون يغلبوا 200 وإن يكن منكم 100 يغلبوا 1000 من الذين كفروا بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون.
O conveyor of unseen news, i.e., Prophet, motivate the believers to wage war. If there are 20 patient ones amongst you, they will overpower 200. And if there are 100 amongst you, they will therefore overpower 1,000 disbelievers. This is because that they, the disbelievers, have no understanding.
الآن خفف الله عنكم وعلم أن فيكم ضعفا فإن يكن منكم 100 صابرة يغلبوا 200 وإن يكن منكم 1000 يغلبوا 2000 بإذن الله والله مع الصابرين.
So Allah has now lightened the burden from you, and He knows that you are weak. If there are hence 100 patient ones amongst you, they shall hence overcome 200, and if there are 1,000 amongst you, they shall overcome 2,000 by the command of Allah, and Allah is with the patient ones.
ما كان لنبي أن يكون له أسرى حتى يثخن في الأرض تريدون عرض الدنيا والله يريد الآخرة والله عزيز حكيم.
It is not befitting to any prophet to capture alive the disbelievers until he cause their bloodshed profusely in the land. You people desire the wealth of this world, and Allah wills for you the hereafter, and Allah is Almighty, All-Wise.
لولا كتاب من الله سبق لمسكم فيما أخذتم عذاب عظيم.
Had Allah not decreed a matter already, a terrible punishment would have henceforth come upon you, O Muslims, due to the ransom you took from the disbelievers.
فَكُلُوا مِمَّا غَنِمْتُمْ حَلَالًا طَيِّبًا وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ.
Eat therefore what you have received as spoils of war, lawful, pure, and keep fearing Allah. Indeed, Allah is most forgiving, ever merciful.
يا أيها النبي قل لمن في أيديكم من الأسرى إن يعلم الله في قلوبكم خيرا يؤتكم خيرا مما أخذ منكم ويغفر لكم والله غفور رحيم.
O conveyor of the unseen news, i.e., Prophet, say to the prisoners in your hand, if Allah finds goodness in your hearts, He will henceforth grant you better than what has been taken from you and will forgive you. And Allah is most forgiving, ever merciful.
وَإِن يُرِيدُوا خِيَانَتَكَ فَقَدْ خَانُوا اللَّهَ مِن قَبْلُ فَأَمْكَنَ مِنْهُمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ.
And O beloved, if they wish to deceive you, they have already been treacherous to Allah, because of which He has given so many disbelievers in your control. And Allah is all-knowing, ever-wise.
إن الذين آمنوا وهاجروا وجاهدوا بأموالهم وأنفسهم في سبيل الله والذين آووا ونصروا أولئك بعضهم أولياء بعض والذين آمنوا ولم يهاجروا ما لكم من ولايتهم من شيء حتى يهاجروا وإن استنصروكم في الدين فعليكم النصر إلا على قوم بينكم وبينهم ميثاق والله بما تعملون بصير.
Indeed, those who believed and left their homes and households to migrate for Allah and fought with their wealth and their lives in the path of Allah, and those who gave shelter and provided assistance, they are the heirs of one another. And those who believed and did not migrate, you are not deserving of their inheritance until they do not migrate. And if they seek help from you in the matter of religion, it is therefore necessary upon you to provide help, except if they ask help against such a nation between whom and you there is a peace treaty, and Allah is observing your actions.
والذين كفروا بعضهم أولياء بعض إلا تفعلوه تكن فتنة في الأرض وفساد كبير.
And the disbelievers are the heirs of one another. If you, O believers, will not do so, there will hence be turmoil in the land and huge disorder.
والذين آمنوا وهاجروا وجاهدوا في سبيل الله والذين آووا ونصروا أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
And those who believed and migrated and fought in the path of Allah, and those who gave shelter and provided help, it is they who are the true believers. For them is pardon and honorable sustenance.
والذين آمنوا من بعد وهاجروا وجاهدوا معكم فأولئك منكم وأولو الأرحام بعضهم أولى ببعض في كتاب الله إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
And those who believed later on and migrated and fought along with you, they too are from amongst you, and family members, blood relation are nearer to one another in the book of Allah. Indeed, Allah knows everything.
صدق الله العظيم.